Have you ever wondered why the Pacific region experiences an unusually high number of earthquakes and volcanic eruptions? Well, the answer lies in the mysterious Pacific Ring of Fire. This intriguing area, located in the northern Pacific Ocean, stretches an impressive 40,000 kilometers in length. Imagine that. It spans from the towering Andes Mountains all the way to the beautiful archipelago of the Philippines. Now, hold on to your hats because this isn't just any ordinary region. The Pacific Ring of Fire holds the title for being the planet's hotbed of seismic and volcanic activity. That's right. It is home to a whopping 80% of the world's volcanoes. Just picture the sheer magnitude of that. This region isn't shy when it comes to making headlines. It's the stage for the highest number of earthquakes on Earth, earning its fiery name from the abundance of volcanoes sprinkled throughout. Among the most affected countries within the Pacific Ring of Fire is Japan, a nation known for its resilience in the face of such natural disasters. But why all this activity, you may ask? Well, the answer lies beneath the surface. The Pacific Ring of Fire is a horseshoe-shaped area located between several tectonic plates. And these aren't just any plates, but include the world's largest. The Pacific Plate, along with the Philippine Plate, the Eurasian Plate, the Indian Plate, the Nazca Plate, and the North American Tectonic Plate. Their movement results in intense geological activity, giving rise to phenomena like earthquakes, tsunamis, and volcanoes, which can often be catastrophic. The Pacific Ring of Fire encompasses the coast of the American continent, Antarctica, Oceania, and Asia, touching a diverse array of countries from Alaska to the Solomon Islands. When you think about the immense geological activity occurring beneath our feet, it's a testament to the incredible forces that shape our planet. Now let's dive into the history of how this fascinating geological area was discovered. The Pacific Ring of Fire wasn't always known to us. Its discovery was a journey of exploration and understanding. Our story begins in the early 18th century, when the world was a vast, uncharted wilderness. The existence of this geological marvel was speculated upon by early explorers and cartographers, but it wasn't until the advent of modern technology and scientific understanding that the Pacific Ring of Fire was truly discovered. The honor of this discovery goes to a group of intrepid scientists and explorers. Among them was the renowned geologist Alfred Wegener. Wegener, in the early 20th century, proposed the theory of continental drift, suggesting that the Earth's continents were once a single landmass that had slowly drifted apart. Despite initial skepticism, this theory laid the groundwork for the discovery of tectonic plates, the colossal slabs of the Earth's crust that interact to cause earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Next came the role of Marie Tharp and Bruce Heezen. In the mid-20th century, this dynamic duo charted the ocean floor, revealing a continuous chain of underwater mountains and valleys. This discovery, known as the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, supported Wegener's continental drift theory, and led to the development of plate tectonics theory. This was the key to unlocking the mysteries of the Pacific Ring of Fire. Scientists realized that the high concentration of earthquakes and volcanic activity in this region was due to the interaction of several tectonic plates, including the Pacific Plate, the Philippine Plate, the Eurasian Plate, the Indian Plate, the Nazca Plate, and the North American Tectonic Plate. The discovery of the Pacific Ring of Fire was met with astonishment and excitement. It represented a massive leap forward in our understanding of the Earth's geology, and it continues to fascinate scientists today. It's a reminder of the dynamic, ever-changing nature of our planet and the powerful forces that shape it. The discovery of the Pacific Ring of Fire was a significant milestone in our understanding of the Earth's geological activity. So, what causes this intense geological activity in the Pacific Ring of Fire? Well, imagine a giant jigsaw puzzle, if you will, spread across the surface of our planet. These pieces are what we call tectonic plates. The Pacific Ring of Fire is located between several of these plates, including the world's largest, the Pacific Plate, along with the Philippine Plate, the Eurasian Plate, the Indian Plate, the Nazca Plate, and the North American Tectonic Plate. Now, these plates aren't static. They move, they grind, they collide, and they slide past each other. This movement is what causes the intense geological activity we see in the Pacific Ring of Fire. Picture it as a colossal dance of the Earth's crust, a dance that's been going on for millions of years. When these plates move, they generate a lot of energy. Sometimes this energy is released slowly, but other times it's let out all at once, leading to earthquakes. When an underwater earthquake occurs, it can displace a colossal amount of water, creating massive waves known as tsunamis. These seismic sea waves can travel at incredible speeds and cause widespread destruction when they reach land. And then, of course, there are the volcanoes. When one tectonic plate is forced under another in a process called subduction, it can melt and form magma. This magma rises through the Earth's crust and can erupt to form a volcano. These phenomena, while fascinating, can often be catastrophic. They can reshape landscapes, wipe out entire cities, and even alter the climate. The Pacific Ring of Fire is a testament to the raw power and unpredictability of our planet. But it's not all doom and gloom. Understanding these processes is crucial in predicting and preparing for these natural disasters. By studying the movement of tectonic plates and monitoring seismic activity, we can better anticipate when and where these events might occur, and take steps to minimize their impact. So, while the Pacific Ring of Fire may be a hotbed of geological activity, it's also a focal point for scientific discovery and understanding. Understanding these processes is crucial in predicting and preparing for these natural disasters. Many countries lie within the Pacific Ring of Fire, each experiencing its unique challenges. This vast ring stretches over 40,000 kilometers, encompassing numerous nations that coexist with the constant rumbling of the Earth beneath them. Let's start our journey in Japan, a country that sits atop 4 tectonic plates and is no stranger to the ring's wrath. The land of the rising sun is home to about 10% of the world's active volcanoes. Here, the people have learned to live in harmony with nature, even when it's not always peaceful. Earthquakes and tsunamis are frequent visitors, but so too is the indomitable spirit of resilience. Next, we travel to Indonesia, another nation significantly shaped by the Ring of Fire. With over 130 active volcanoes, Indonesia holds the record for the highest number of volcanoes in any country. The seismic activities here have shaped the landscape, culture, and even the mythology of the Indonesian people. They've learned to respect the power of the Earth and to adapt to its unpredictable nature. We then move across the Pacific to the United States, where the Ring of Fire graces the western coastline. This region, particularly the state of California, is infamous for its seismic activity. The San Andreas Fault, a notorious hotspot for earthquakes, serves as an ever-present reminder of the Earth's dynamic nature. Yet, in the face of this, the Golden State thrives, innovating in earthquake prediction and engineering safer buildings to withstand the Earth's tremors. From the Andes Mountains to the Philippines, the Pacific Ring of Fire is a testament to the Earth's awesome power and the resilience of the human spirit. It encompasses not only these countries but also others like Russia, Mexico, Canada, and New Zealand, each with its unique relationship with this fiery ring. The Pacific Ring of Fire is not just a geographical phenomenon, it's a thread that binds these diverse nations together in a shared understanding of the Earth's might and mystery. These countries have learned to live with and adapt to the constant threat of natural disasters. It's a testament to our ability to not only survive but to thrive in the face of adversity. While the Pacific Ring of Fire is well known, have you heard about the Atlantic Ring of Fire? Yes, it's almost like the lesser famous sibling of the Pacific Ring, yet it holds its own unique significance in the study of Earth's geology. The Atlantic Ring of Fire is an intriguing geological area that extends across several regions. From the fiery belly of Central America, the lush islands of the Caribbean, the windswept Azores, the sun-kissed Cape Verde, the historic Mediterranean to the rugged Caucasus region, this Ring of Fire is a fascinating tapestry of diverse landscapes marked by intense volcanic activities. Now you might be wondering, how significant is this Atlantic Ring of Fire? Well, it accounts for approximately 20% of the planet's volcanic activities. Yes, that's right, 1/5 of the Earth's volcanic eruptions occur within this ring. It's an impressive figure for a region that's often overshadowed by its Pacific counterpart. The Atlantic Ring of Fire is a reminder of our planet's restless nature. Beneath our feet, tectonic plates are constantly shifting, creating a dynamic world that's always changing. Just like in the Pacific, this movement of plates in the Atlantic region results in the formation of volcanoes and triggers seismic activities. The countries within this ring, including those in Central America, the Caribbean, and others, bear witness to this geological drama. They live with the reality of potential volcanic eruptions and earthquakes, which shape their landscapes, cultures, and ways of life. So, the next time you look at a world map, remember the Atlantic Ring of Fire. It's a testament to the power of Earth's natural forces and the intricate geological processes that shape our world. Though it may not be as famous as the Pacific Ring, it plays an equally important role in our global landscape. Though lesser known, the Atlantic Ring of Fire is another testament to Earth's dynamic geological activity. This vast, vibrant volcanic region continues to shape and reshape our world, reminding us of the awe-inspiring power of nature.